Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the style of your board on the chess.com game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chess.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official chess.com game website. If you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button underneath the search box and then use your credentials to log in. Once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to change your chessboard, hover over to settings at the bottom left corner and then click on all settings. Now from the settings page, click on board and pieces underneath profile, and now you will be able to choose the board style as well as the pieces and the style that is used within the game. Use the drop down menu and then choose whichever piece you wish to use as well as the board. Once you have selected your desired theme, you can also choose the animations and the notation features that will be displayed within your game. Finally, click on the save button and your chessboard preferences will be saved. And every time you start a new game, the piece that you selected and the boards will be used for your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your board style within the chess.com game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.